What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make a new iOS 14 home screen on your iPhone. So what you're going to need, well, first of all, you're going to need an iPhone 6S or up, or you can use the iPod 7. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that good stuff, share this video. And yeah, I'm going to show you my home screen right now, and I'll tell you how to do it. So yeah. Alright, so here it is right here. So here's my home screen. I have Fortnite, Minecraft, and Among Us. So this is like a gaming theme. These are just my games, and it has different stuff with my screen time, the Bible app, and weather. So yeah. Got these nice little widgets here. Fortnite. On the top, I have different photos of different characters. At the bottom, I have different weapons. For Minecraft, I have 3 widgets and just different photos in general. For Among Us, I just have a bunch of different photos. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to do that. All of that stuff. So first, what you want to do is you're going to need 2 apps. First, you're going to need the Shortcuts app. Then you're also going to need Widget Smith, at least if you want the big widgets, like for Fortnite, Minecraft, Among Us. So what you're going to do, I don't know what app I'm going to use. I guess I'll use the Messages app. So what you want to do is you want to get on the Shortcuts app. Go to My Shortcuts, hit plus, hit Add Action, search up Open App. Open, you'll have to write A, and then you click Open App. Then you choose the app you're going to want. I'll do Message. I'll do Clash of Clans. So then you're going to hit these 3 buttons. You're going to name the shortcut. So I'm just going to call it Clash of Clans. Okay, then you hit Add to Home Screen. Wait, did I write that right? Oh, shoot. Hold up a sec. Delete that. Okay. So now what you're going to want to do is hit Add to Home Screen. You're going to name it, so Clash of Clans. Oh, man. Oh, well. Then you're going to hit Choose Photo or Take a Photo. I don't know why you do that, though. Then you're going to click... Just going to choose a photo. I don't know. Hold up. I have this really cool picture of a P.E.K.K.A. Here. You're going to use this photo, or whatever photo. You hit choose. And you hit add. Then you hit done and done. And there it is. Clash of Clans. Then when you're going to click it, it's going to take you to the Shortcuts app and then to the app. It's a little annoying, but it's worth it if you really want a cool home screen. But I'm not going to have that there because I don't want to, so I'm just going to delete that. Also going to delete the shortcut. So yeah, for every app that you want to customize, that's what you're going to have to do. I know it's a little annoying, but in the end, it's worth it. Delete that. There we go. Okay, so for these widgets here, you're going to need an app called Widget Smith, which I'm sure you all have heard of. Widget Smith. And what you can do, so what you're going to need to do is you make small widgets, medium widgets, or large widgets. I guess I'll do a large widget. So what you're going to do is click on it, then click on the photo again. Then you want to go down to custom, hit photo, hit selected photo, then choose photo. Oh, this is a Nintendo Switch one, I guess. Adjust alignment. Okay, that's the best it's gonna get. Then you want to click back. You can rename it. I'll just name it Pro Controller. Okay, then you hit save. Then what you want to do is you want to hold one of the widgets down or whatever, or bookmarks, then hit edit home screen. Then go to the page where you want it at. Go down to Widget Smith, hit large widget, and there, it's going to automatically be there because that's the only big widget I have. Then you want to hit edit widget if you have any other ones, which I don't, so I'm going to make other ones actually. This one's going to be Xbox controller. Okay, you hit save. And then if you want to change the widget, okay, so here you hold this widget, hit edit widget. You can do Pro Controller, if it shows up, edit widget, or Xbox controller, or any other large widgets you have. Then boom. So that's your tutorial of how to make your very own custom home screen. Please like and subscribe. I'm not going to use this widget. I'm just going to, remove it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff I already said in the beginning. And I hope you have a good day. And I hope you found this helpful. Tell me in the comments below what your home screen theme was. Obviously mine was video games, Fortnite, Minecraft, and Among Us. So, yep, have a good day.